What's up guys, Spiro here from WP Society. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create different header styles for different pages based on a body class. Now before we go into it, I just want to let you know that if you want to learn more about WordPress, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. And now without further ado, let's jump into the computer and let me explain you why I'm doing this and what I wanted to achieve. Alright guys, so we are inside my computer and over at WP Society. And this is what I was talking about. So if you go to homepage, and you can see here in the homepage I've got a light background with a dark logo, and if I go to the inner pages I've got a black background or dark background with a light logo. And to achieve this I could have done this many different ways. Maybe the easiest would be to create two different templates, especially because I'm using a page builder, Bricks. But if you use any other page builder you could easily create two header templates and then attach different header to the pages you need it to be different. However, that would come up with one caveat, that if you're using a mega menu, then you would have to edit two different templates. And in my case, I'm using a mega menu, which means that I would have to maintain two different header templates, and it would become a really, daunting and time demanding, especially if you have multiple websites. So the idea was, okay, how can I do it so that I use the one template? And I come up to this idea to create a simple jQuery solution that will allow me to differently style header while using one template. And how does it work is basically my header. I'm just going to quickly use inspect so that you get a better understanding of what I've done. So if I inspect my header here, you'll see that inside the header, inside the section, I've attached class header. And then I write a script. There's actually two versions. We'll go with the second version today. So basically, script says once document is ready, if body has a class single post or body has a class page and doesn't have class home, then execute this. Basically, find header class and add to the header class background dark class, and find footer class and add background dark to the footer as well. Otherwise, find header class and add light background. Now when you understand how the script works, it's time to jump into the editor and edit Bricks header. If you use any other builder, page builder, you could easily achieve the same thing. I will one more time run through the header template and explain you what exactly I've done. And I'll first start with going into settings and then page settings and custom code, where I'm going to remove these codes that I've created. And I'm just going to quickly save. If we go back to the single post page and if we refresh, you'll see that class header doesn't have a background, and the same on a home page. Class header will not have a, so here has a background light, but when I refresh, background light will disappear because there is no script. Right. So basically all this script does, adds into the class header either background dark or background light. How does it do is basically it finds header class. Into the section of the header, I've basically added this class header. In your case, you might have a different page builder or something else slightly different. You might have some different name that you're going to be able to find. It might not going to be .header, it can be any class. Just make sure that it's class. Now if we save this and go on a dark version of the background and if we refresh, you will see that it will have a dark background, but logo will not change. To change the logo, all we have to do is basically get again into the page settings, custom code, and then into the custom CSS you want to copy paste this little snippet, which basically targets this header logo class, which is basically class that I've attached to the logo. So if you go click on a logo, you'll see .header logo. That is the class attached to the logo. And by targeting that class, we can call a different file. And then basically we're just calling a dark background logo version. That's it. And if we save now, head over here, refresh, we got it fully working, right? And if we go back over here and refresh, light background is applied. Now, before I knock off, I just want to let you know that if you're interested in making money online, make sure you check my #1 recommendation on how to make money online, which is what I'm doing right now. Sign up for my email list and I'll send it over to you right away, right now. And with that being said, we got to end of this video. I hope you learned something, and if you did so, make sure you smash that like, hit that subscribe button, and I hope I'll see you again.